Do you wonder why your curries don't taste like the ones from the takeaway? Well, I'm here to share the secret. It's time for a banging curry-based gravy 2.0. My last gravy recipe went viral and I got a huge amount of stick, but I've taken on your comments and this leveled up version will take your curry to a whole new stratosphere. Fry garlic and ginger in some ghee along with some chilli and bay leaves, then toss in a load of sliced onions. Now this is where the magic happens. It's going to take around 40 minutes of gentle cooking until your onions look like this. In go the spices. Don't worry, the full recipe is down in the caption for you to follow. Add some tomato puree, then cook this out for a couple of minutes before adding in some tinned tomatoes and water. Then bring this up to a simmer and cook gently for 30 minutes. Pop a lid on whilst you're doing this so it doesn't reduce down too much. Once the flavours had time to develop, blend and you are ready to portion up your gravy, ready for the next time you want to make a banging British Indian restaurant inspired curry. This will keep in the fridge for 4 days or 3 months in the freezer. Check out the curry recipes in my feed that use this gravy to make yours at home. Banging!